been asked for a tutorial about the outside isolation. Now it's a move that I found difficult to learn, so other people might teach this differently, but I'm going to show you the way that I found helpful, and I'll break it down into stages. The first thing was getting comfortable with the feel of a hoop rolling over the back of my hand, like that. So between the thumb and the index finger, going over the top and landing it back in. So it's going over the hand, my hand sort of grabbing it there and to there. When that's comfortable, then try, instead of letting it drop down, try to bring it up around 3/4 of the isolation. So you go round and over the top. So you catch it there, thumb down, take it over the top to thumbs up. That's stage 2. Then you're going to be brave and try and go all the way round. Now to go all the way round, I tend to sort of wind my way up to it, a bit like I'm doing a steering wheel here. So steering wheel, all the way over. And over. Bit wobbly, but wobbles are what happen when you're learning. And for me, even after I'm learning, you know, the next stage is just playing with it really. Seeing if you can add a few together. You might begin to decide to go the other way. And generally have a lot of fun with it. So, good luck. Don't be discouraged by dropping your hoop. It takes time.